Hello everyone, welcome to Himalaya channel. In this video, we are going to discuss chapter 2 of class 6 NCERT, our past 1. This is the book we are referring. So what is the chapter name? Chapter name is On the Trial of Earliest People. See, human life has evolved over millions of years. In early stages, men were hunters and food gatherers. They hunted wild animals, fishes, and they gathered fruits, nuts, and seeds. So basically, they led a nomadic life, that is, wandering life. Why they had to lead a wandering life? Suppose if they had stayed in one place, the resources available there, such as plant resources and animal, would get depleted. So that is why, in search of new food, they went from place to place. And plants bear different fruits in different seasons. So as per the seasons, man also moved from place to place. So, and basically here, wherever water was available, man started moving to that place. So these are some of the reasons why earliest people led a nomadic life. Coming to how do we know about early people? Here, archaeologists have found out several tools used by these hunters and gatherers. And basically, they were using tools made out of stones. Initially, they were using stone-made tools. Then gradually, they started learning to make tools out of other materials such as wood, horns, etc. And these tools which were made, they were used for multi-purposes. For example, cutting this cut to cut the meat, to chop fruits, and even you can see in the picture for stitching clothes which was made out of animal skin. And wood was used to make huts and as a firewood. Now, where did early man live? So basically, as he followed the path of the river, so wherever water was available, he started living there. And he was in search of stones, which were basically available on the banks of the river. He started using these stones to make the tools. So where he made the tools, that region was called as factory site. And in addition to making of these stone tools, he started settling there for some time. So that region came to be known as habitation cum factory sites. Next, coming to what is Stone Age. Stone Age is a period when mostly tools made out of stones were used. So this entire age can be classified into three phases. So earliest it is Paleolithic, where the earliest people were using big stone tools, and gradually they moved to tools which were made out of stone, but they were very small in size, that is microliths. And that age came to be known as Middle Stone Age or Mesolithic. In actual, it was a transition age to the Neolithic. Now came the New Stone Age, where people started using polished tools, or it is also called as Neolithic Age. And how did they make these stone tools? Basically, there were two techniques. One was stone on stone, other was pressure flaking. Stone on stone means the stone out of which tool has to be made was held in one hand. The stone where to be hit, it was held in other hand. Then the tool was made by hitting this stone. In pressure flaking, the stone using which tool has to be made was firmly placed on the land, Then pressure was put on it by other stone to get the desired tool. Here, if you take one of the biggest discoveries by man, it was fire. So gradually man learnt to use the fire to different applications. So apart from cooking, he started using fire to keep himself warm during winters, and also he used fire to shoo away wild animals. Then coming to the early rock paintings. So man preferred to stay in caves because it gave him shelter, not only from rain, from sun, and even also from threat of wild animals. So in his leisure time, he started depicting the events such as hunting events, women grinding, the social activities such as children jumping, dancing. So all these activities were depicted in the form of paintings. And coming to the important sites here, first we shall understand what is the meaning of sites. Sites are the places where the remains of things such as tools, pots, buildings, etc. were found. These were made, used, and left behind by the people. These may be found on the surface of the earth, buried under the earth, or sometimes even underwater. So here, what are the important sites? If we see Paleolithic, Hungsi, Kurnool Caves, Bhimbetka. And Neolithic sites, Halluru, Payampalli, then Mahagara, Koldihwa, Chirand, Daojali Hudding, Huzza Home, Mehergar. Okay, Brahmagiri and Adichamaluru, that is megalithic sites. Okay, so these are the few important sites mentioned here. So that's it in this video. Thank you.